I have lived my whole life alone, please let me go now. Toss me by the ocean side and let the fish carry me back to my ocean grave, so my soul might be released. Thank you for the time you have given me, but I can't go on. I have opened my eyes and I see now that you have given me all you can, so please let me go. I hope one day you will understand the pain I'm going through. I blame only the world around me for these cruel actions and these long cold nights. The nights that we're always warmer with you by my side. I'll miss you, I'll miss the trees and the beauty, but most of all I'll miss the pain that let me know I was still alive all these many years.